Ohayou gozaimasu. It's day 78 on the Tokai Shizen Hodo, and just walked back to the spot where Paul and I abandoned the Shizen Hodo yesterday and went off looking for wild caves and climbing little nubbins of parasitic volcanic cones on the side of Mount Fuji. The base of Mount Fuji. Didn't go anywhere near the top. Yeah, so back on the Hodo good and proper this morning, and making our way up a little climb to get some nice views of the next two lakes on our Fuji 5 Lakes tour. I think the Lake Saiko and Lake Kawaguchi. Uphill we go. Let's have a good day. Oh. No cafe open today. Not yet, at least. There's Fuji up there. Looking glorious in the morning sun. A bit washed out in this film though. Or video. That's Mount Fuji over there where Paul and I were struggling up yesterday. Focus. Camera, are you focusing? Yeah. Aokigahara. Paul's out there somewhere again today making another video. Watch out for the ghosts. Paul was saying yesterday that all this lava flow, Aokigahara, wasn't from the actual top of Fuji. It's from one of these cones nearby. There's a few out there, and they were the ones that created this lava field, which is now a beautiful, beautiful forest. That must be Lake Motosu out there. You can kind of see the panorama die in that and the hotels on Shoji, Lake Shoji, but you can't see that really well. And that down there is Lake Saiko. Look at those mountains out there. That's got to be Kitadake, Aino, and Notori. And then Shiomi must be there in the middle there, I'd say. I assume. And then Warusawa and Akaishi and Hijiri poking out at the end of there, I would say. Alright, that was Mount Ashiwada. It was a long climb, a lot of steps. Still a lot of steps. And it's all downhill from here. Down to Lake Kawaguchiko and the station. Some 10 k's away. But yeah, looks pretty out there. Lovely winter's day again. All right, let's go polish off today's business. Down off the mountain, and just for old time's sake, a bit of road walking. Let's see what we can see. Hodo's getting swallowed up by suburbia. And now where? This way. Yeah, not so pretty. Tell you what, this little area down off Ashiwada has plenty of Plenty of accommodation. That's about all it's got going for it. It would dump otherwise. Now, where's my Hodo? I've gone past it. Hope these new little dwellings haven't buried it. Alright, must be around here somewhere. Supposedly. Diagonal road, that's what I've missed. Should be around the corner of this house. Let's go and have a look. Okay. This is it. Oh yeah, the old Tokai Shizen Hodo in all its glory. Gone a bit overboard, I think. Spent a few summer days on the Tokai Shizen Hodo, you get as black as you want to get. Tell you that for nothing.